Hi, this is Andrew with TentCraft, and behind me is one of our American-made heavy-duty netted drone enclosures. We manufacture these drone enclosures for several different use cases, from trade show displays to STEM initiatives for schools. We customize these enclosures in a number of different sizes. The standard head clearance is 9 feet 6 inches, but can be extended to meet your needs. With a team of 4 to 6 people, these can be set up in under 5 minutes, and we're going to walk you through that setup process now.